What if the $1 bottle sitting in your medicine cabinet right now could wipe out every roach, ant, and mouse in your home? Not in weeks, in days. And what if professional exterminators, the ones charging you $200 a visit, already knew this? They just never told you. Today, that changes. I'm going to show you 20 ways hydrogen peroxide destroys pests that poison sprays can't even touch. Stay until the end, because hack number 17 is the one exterminators fear the most. Here's the truth nobody talks about. Pest control in America is a $22 billion industry. $22 billion every single year. And you know what keeps that machine running? Pests that keep coming back. You call the exterminator, they spray, you pay $150, maybe $200. 3 weeks later, the roaches are back. You call again. You pay again. It's a cycle, and it's designed to be that way. Chemical sprays work by poisoning insects through their nervous system. But here's the dirty secret. Insects evolve. They build resistance to chemical pesticides over time. So the spray that worked last year, it barely works today. And meanwhile, those chemicals are sitting in your carpet, on your counters, near your kids and pets. But there's something different, and something that insects literally cannot fight back against. And it costs about $1. Let me take you back to a small farming community in rural Pennsylvania. The Amish have lived without chemical pesticides for generations. No raid, no professional exterminators, no toxic sprays. And yet, their homes are clean, their barns are clean, their root cellars are clean. For over a century, Amish homemakers have used hydrogen peroxide to protect their food, their homes, and their families from pests. They called it the bubbling water. They'd mix it with a little dish soap, pour it into a bottle, and spray it anywhere pests appeared. Word spread quietly, community to community, but it never made it into mainstream pest control. Because there's no money in a $1 solution. This isn't folk medicine. This isn't a myth. The science behind why it works is incredibly solid. And it's exactly why the industry doesn't want you knowing about it. Let's talk about what hydrogen peroxide actually does to a pest. Most chemical pesticides are neurotoxins. They attack the nervous system of insects. And as I said, insects adapt to neurotoxins over time. Hydrogen peroxide is completely different. It's an oxidizer. When peroxide contacts a living organism, any living organism, it releases oxygen radicals. These oxygen radicals attack cell walls, dissolve exoskeletons, and destroy soft tissue at a molecular level. An insect cannot build resistance to oxidation. You cannot evolve away from your cells being destroyed. It's like asking someone to become immune to fire. It doesn't work that way. And it gets even better. Hydrogen peroxide also destroys pheromone trails. This is huge. Ants, roaches, and other pests communicate using chemical scent trails. They use those trails to find food, return to nests, and recruit more insects. When you spray hydrogen peroxide on those trails, the trail disappears completely. No trail, no signal, no reinforcements. The colony gets confused, scattered, and dies off. That's not just killing pests, that's cutting off their communication system entirely. Now, here's the part that shocked me when I first discovered it. Back in the 1930s, 40s, and 50s, the USDA was actually studying natural oxidizers as pest control solutions. Early research showed hydrogen peroxide and similar compounds were highly effective against common household and agricultural pests. But then, something happened in the 1960s. The synthetic chemical pesticide industry exploded. Companies like the ones behind DDT began lobbying hard. The research quietly stopped, funding shifted, papers got buried, and suddenly, the conversation around natural pest control dried up completely. It's not a conspiracy theory, it's documented history. The same thing happened with natural herbicides, natural fungicides, and dozens of other cheap solutions that threaten the chemical industry's bottom line. The question isn't whether this information was suppressed. It was. The question is, what are we going to do with it now that we know? And the answer is, we're going to use it. All 20 ways. Before I walk you through each hack, here's the base recipe you're going to use most often. Write this down. 1 cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide. The brown bottle from any pharmacy or dollar store, half a cup of water, 5 to 10 drops of plain dish soap. Mix it in a spray bottle, that's it. Cost per bottle, about 30 cents. That spray is your foundation. Now let's get into all 20 hacks. Hack number 1, the roach perimeter spray. Roaches enter through baseboards, under doors, and behind appliances. Mix your base solution and spray a solid line along every baseboard in your kitchen and bathroom. Roaches crossing that line absorb the peroxide through their feet and underbelly. Their exoskeleton breaks down within minutes. Respray every 3 to 4 days for the first 2 weeks. After that, once a week for maintenance. Hack 2, the ant trail destroyer. Find where ants are walking, trace the trail back as far as you can. Spray the entire trail with your base solution. Don't just kill the ants, you see. Spray a foot beyond the trail in both directions. This erases the pheromone trail completely. New ants arriving will have no path to follow. They scatter, lose direction, and often die off within 24 to 48 hours. Hack 3. The mouse entry point spray. Mice don't just chew holes, they mark them with urine and scent glands. That scent is what tells other mice, this is a safe door. Spray undiluted 3% hydrogen peroxide directly on suspected entry points. Door gaps, wall cracks, undersink cabinets behind the stove. The peroxide oxidizes and neutralizes those scent markers instantly. Without that signal, mice lose confidence in the entry point and often abandon it. Combine this with steel wool stuffed in the gaps for best results. Hack 4. The drainfly eliminator. Drainflies breed in the organic slime inside your pipes. Pour half a cup of straight hydrogen peroxide down every drain. Let it sit for 30 minutes. Don't run water. The peroxide foams up, attacking the biofilm where drainfly eggs are laid. Do this twice a week for 3 weeks, and the breeding cycle breaks completely. No more clouds of tiny flies rising from your sink. Hack 5. The flea carpet treatment. Fleas don't just live on your pet. 95% of the flea population lives in your carpet, bedding, and furniture. Mix your base spray and mist it lightly over carpets, rugs, and upholstery. Don't soak, just a light even mist. Let it dry completely before letting pets or kids back on the surface. The peroxide kills flea eggs and larvae, which is where most treatments fail. Repeat every 5 days for 3 weeks to break the full flea life cycle. Hack 6. The bedbug mattress spray. Spray your base solution along every seam and crevice of your mattress. Flip it and do the same on the other side. Spray the bed frame, headboard, and any nearby furniture seams. Bedbugs hide in tight spaces. The spray penetrates those gaps. Do this every 5 to 7 days. This won't solve a severe infestation alone, but it dramatically reduces bedbug populations between professional treatments, or prevents them from taking hold in the first place. Hack 7. The pantry moth spray. Empty your pantry shelves completely. Wipe them down with your base solution on a cloth. Then spray the back walls, corners, and undersides of shelves. Pantry moths lay eggs in cracks and corners. Peroxide destroys those eggs on contact. Leave shelves to dry fully before replacing food. Do this monthly to keep pantry moths from ever returning. Hack 8. The outdoor ant colony pour. Find the ant mound in your yard. Mix 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide with 2 cups of water, slightly diluted for outdoor use. Slowly pour it directly into the mound. For best results, do this early morning when more ants are inside. The peroxide penetrates the tunnels, killing workers, larvae, and often the queen. No queen means the colony collapses. Hack 9. The roach egg destroyer. Roach egg cases, called Uthake, are tough, waxy, and resistant to most sprays, but not to peroxide. Spray egg cases directly with undiluted 3% peroxide. The oxidation breaks down the waxy coating and kills the eggs inside before they hatch. Look for egg cases behind refrigerators, under sinks, and inside cabinet hinges. Finding and destroying eggs is more powerful than killing adult roaches. Hack 10. The garbage area repellent. Pests love garbage areas, especially roaches, ants, and flies. Spray the inside and outside of your garbage cans weekly with your base solution. Spray the area around and underneath the cans. The peroxide kills bacteria that creates the food scents attracting pests. Fewer smells means fewer visitors. Hack 11. The silverfish wall treatment. Silverfish love dark, damp walls, especially in bathrooms and basements. Spray your base solution along wall edges, behind toilets, and around water pipes. Silverfish skin is extremely vulnerable to oxidation. They'll avoid treated surfaces and eventually leave the area entirely. Respray once a week for a month. Hack 12. The pet bed flea spray. Wash the pet bed cover normally. Before putting it back, mist it lightly with your base solution. Let it dry completely. This is critical. Don't skip the drying step. Once dry, hydrogen peroxide leaves no harmful residue. Your pet's sleeping area is now flea resistant without any chemical treatments. Hack 13. The windowsill bug barrier. Windowsills are highways for small insects, gnats, ants, spider mites. Spray your base solution along every windowsill inside and outside. Wipe away the residue after 5 minutes. You're leaving a faint oxidizing layer that repels crawling insects. Redo this after rain or cleaning. Hack 14. The outdoor perimeter defense. This is your big defensive move. Spray your base solution around the entire exterior foundation of your home. 6 to 8 inches up the wall and 6 inches out on the ground. Do this in a full circle. Don't leave gaps. Pests crossing this line are stopped before they ever enter. Do this once a month or after heavy rain. Hack 15. The kitchen counter night spray. Roaches and ants are most active at night. Every evening before bed, spray your kitchen counters, around the stove, and under the microwave with your base solution. Wipe up any food residue first. Peroxide works better on clean surfaces. This nightly habit alone can eliminate a roach problem within 2 weeks. Hack 16. The refrigerator bottom spray. The drip tray under your refrigerator is one of the most pest-friendly spots in your home. Warm, dark, damp, and usually full of debris. Pull out your fridge. Spray the floor beneath it and the drip tray heavily. Let sit for 10 minutes, then wipe clean. Do this monthly. Most people never do this, and it's one of the main reasons roach treatments fail. Now, hack number 17. This is the one I mentioned at the start. This is the one that makes exterminators nervous. It's called the nest vapor method. Here's what you do. Take a small bowl, pour in half a cup of hydrogen peroxide. Place it near a known nest or high activity area, inside a cabinet, under a sink, in a basement corner. As hydrogen peroxide slowly releases oxygen vapor into the air, it creates an oxidizing environment. Insects, especially roaches, have highly sensitive respiratory systems. Exposure to elevated oxygen, radical environments, causes respiratory stress and eventually death. It also keeps driving them out of hiding, into areas where your sprays can finish them off. Replace the bowl every 24 to 48 hours. This is passive, continuous pest control while you sleep. Chemical companies can't patent oxygen. That's why you've never heard of this. Hack 18, the crawl space treatment. Crawl spaces are ground zero for mice, spiders, roaches, and centipedes. Mix 1 part peroxide with 1 part water in a garden sprayer. Spray the floor, walls, and any visible entry points in your crawl space. Wear gloves and a mask, not because peroxide is dangerous at 3%, but because crawl spaces are dusty. Do this every 2 to 3 months. Hack 19, the laundry pest killer. If you've had fleas, bedbugs, or lice in your home, your laundry is a hiding spot. Add half a cup of hydrogen peroxide directly to your washing machine along with your regular detergent. It boosts cleaning power and kills pest eggs in fabric, safe for most fabrics. Do a spot test on delicate items first. This is especially useful for bedding, sofa covers, and pet blankets. And hack number 20, well, save this one. It's called the yearly reset. Once a year, ideally in early spring before pest season, do a full home treatment. Every baseboard, every drain, every entry point, every cabinet interior. Spray everything with your base solution over the course of 1 weekend. Let it dry, ventilate the rooms, and you're done. You've just reset your home's pest protection for the entire year. Total cost for all the peroxide you'll use, maybe $10 to $12 for the whole year. That's less than what most people spend on a single aerosol can of Raid. Now let's talk about what to actually expect when you start using this. Day 1 to 3, you may actually see more insects. Don't panic. This is normal. The perimeter spray and vapor method drive pests out of hiding. You're disrupting their environment, and they scatter. Day 4 to 7, activity starts dropping noticeably. Ant trails disappear. Roach sightings decrease. Week 2, most people report a 70 to 90% reduction in visible pest activity. Week 3 to 4, for mild to moderate infestations, pests are essentially gone. For severe infestations, heavy roach or mouse problems, combine these hacks with physical traps and seal all entry points. Peroxide handles the chemical battle. You handle the physical gaps. Together, it's more effective than most professional treatments. A few things to keep in mind as you start. Always use 3% hydrogen peroxide, the standard brown bottle from any pharmacy or dollar store. Don't use higher concentrations like 6% or 12% food-grade peroxide without diluting significantly. Higher concentrations can irritate skin and eyes. Store your mixed spray bottle away from direct sunlight. Light breaks down hydrogen peroxide. Make fresh batches every week for maximum potency. The spray loses about half its effectiveness after 7 days. And consistency is everything. One spray won't solve the problem. Think of it like brushing your teeth. Regular maintenance is what keeps problems away. Before I wrap up, here's one more thing I want you to think about. Every single pest problem in your home started because of 2 things: entry points and attractants. Fix those 2 things and pests have no reason to come in. Hydrogen peroxide handles the attractant side. It destroys food scents, pheromone trails, and breeding spots. But seal your entry points too. Steel woolen gaps, door sweeps, caulk and cracks. That combination, peroxide plus sealed entry points, is the closest thing to a permanent pest solution that exists. No chemicals, no contracts, no exterminator calling you every month. If this video helped you, here's what I need from you right now. Hit that like button. It takes 1 second and it helps more people find this information. Subscribe if you're not already, because we put out budget fixes like this every single week. And drop a comment below. Tell me which hack you're trying first. Or if you've already used hydrogen peroxide for pests, tell us your results. I read every single comment. Now go grab that brown bottle. You've already got everything you need. See you in the next one.